Hello, everyone. My name is Sophie. Today we are going to learn simple English sentences in the kitchen. I will speak slowly so you can understand easily.
I wake up early to make breakfast. I wake up early to make breakfast. I walk into the kitchen. I walk into the kitchen. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I open the refrigerator. I open the refrigerator.
I take out the eggs. I take out the eggs. I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking.
I fill the pot with water. I fill the pot with water. I put the pot on the stove. I put the pot on the stove.
I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I wait for the water to boil. I wait for the water to boil. I add some salt to the water. I add some salt to the water.
I crack the eggs into the pan. I crack the eggs into the pan.
I stir the eggs slowly. I stir the eggs slowly.
I put the bread in the toaster. I put the bread in the toaster. I make some toast. I make some toast. I drink a glass of water first. I drink a glass of water first. I pour some milk into a glass. I pour some milk into a glass. I cut the vegetables on the board. I cut the vegetables on the board. I put the vegetables in the pan. I put the vegetables in the pan. I add a little oil to the pan. I add a little oil to the pan.
I smell the food cooking. I smell the food cooking. I set the table for breakfast. I set the table for breakfast.
I put the plate on the table. I put the plate on the table. I sit down and eat my breakfast. I sit down and eat my breakfast.
I clean the kitchen after eating. I clean the kitchen after eating. Great job, everyone! We learned so many English sentences today. I am very proud of you. Practice every day and your English will get better and better. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye!